guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to fulfill your orders on Zendrop. First of all, we go to Zendrop and then we're going to go ahead and click on it and then we're going to log in with our credentials. So let me log in. And then after you do it, you're going to see the orders here on the left. And then after you do it, it's going to see, you're going to see this order page and you're going to see like so many orders when you get them. However, I don't have any orders right now because I'm just like starting on my own Shopify page. So when you get orders, you're gonna see like different type of orders here, like the quantity, the price that you're receiving from each order, and more. So let me show you guys that. Order page from Zendrop. Um, so this is how it looks like. And when you see it, you're gonna click on um, select all, and then you're gonna click bulk fulfill. It will help you to fulfill all your orders in once. But let's say that your customer doesn't really care about shipping. You can just order it later, like you can do it at a later time. So here's some examples from also here. So this one is the received one. And if Zendrop doesn't receive the payments, you don't really need to fulfill the order. But if you want to get the full customer satisfaction, you can like fulfill the order and the Zendrop payment will eventually receive. And it can show you the cost and the shipping, and it will also show you the date and the customer. So you can always like contact with your customers with any like fulfillment issues with the order. Let me see if I can show you guys anything else. Oh, this one. You can also add a tracking link by doing the Zendrop one. Also, if you want to like fulfill orders more than 25 in a single day, which when you like grow your account, you can upgrade it. So let's see, press upgrade. So when you have the pro version, you can do automated fulfillment, like it will do it for you. You don't have to like match names. You don't have to do anything. So that's really cool. That makes it easier. And pro version is only $49 a month, and there's a free 7-day trial. And the private product listings are also here. You can do trending products, but if you get the best feature for Zendrop, as you guys can see here, um, it's the select one. Um, so there's everything, and also there's personalized support. Like let's say that you have an account for your brand business and you want to make sure that you get like real life, like real time customer support. You can buy it, and you can also do price negotiations here. And there's going to be partner resources where it's gonna have a large network of agencies, customer support resources, and e-commerce accounting firms. So many other resources you need to run your business, you will have access to their entire list of vetted resources for your own. Also, there's a brand development, so you can turn your shipping store into an elevated brand. Like let's say you like Gymshark. Like Gymshark started as a dropshipping website, and then now they produce their own, and they're like a huge brand in the gym industry. Like they have like a $2 billion net worth. Also the packaging, private labeling for all products on your store. So that's easy. So if you want to buy it, you can click on buy, and it will do it for you. You have to like put your, oh wait, and you can earn up to 10K dollars of signing bonus by switching your fulfillment to Zendrop. So let's say that you have a different business from Zendrop, you can transfer it to Zendrop, and like let's say you're working with DJ Dropshipping or any other websites, you can like transfer it to Zendrop, and you will be able to get a $10,000 signing on bonus. And you're gonna be like, how do these brands find this much money? I mean, they're gonna make money off from you. Let's say that you're making $1 million a year, and there's 2% fee from um, times 0.2. So they're gonna make like at least $20,000 from you, from your sales. And if it's like 3%, it's 30,000, 5, 6, 7. So they're eventually gonna make more money by using you. So they're gonna give you some sign-on bonus. But it's really cool. I mean, if I had a big business, I would do that. So again, you can click on your orders and you can do that. There's also the import list that you can use. Also, by the way, I want to talk about the products. So let's say that you list your product here. So you want to sell this product. You add to import list. By the way, you can do sample orders, but you gotta pay for it. Um, you click on my orders. Oh no, not my orders. You're gonna click on import list, and then you're gonna click on import store. So when you click on import store, it will uh, put it into your Shopify account. So let me show you guys how it works. So I just added some products from my Zendrop to my Shopify store. So that's really cool. That's another plan. So let me go shopify.com. Log in with my credentials again. You gotta make sure that you use the right credentials. Um, log in. And then you're gonna click on new day, new game, like my website. And then you're gonna see, click on online store, view your online store. And on the bottom, these are the products that are extracted from Zendrop. So this is really cool. It's easy to do. So make sure to go ahead and do it. You can also like buy it and you will receive it on your order list here. And when you get the order, you can fulfill it to the customer's address. So that's really cool. Click on buy it now. Oh, there's a problem with my own thing, but if you actually like link it, you will be able to make it. And let's talk about finding the products. If you have the premium feature, you can do ships from the US, which is really cool. There's a lot of products that you can do. So there's like a good t-shirt here. So suppliers is here. So this is the brand that sells all these Zendrop things. So let me check if they have a good customer service. Wow, they're huge. Oh no, no, that's not them. This is them. So they're selling like a lot of products, like t-shirt products. So you can easily like extract them to your store and you can easily sell them. And when you get the orders, it's gonna be listed here, and then you can like click on auto fulfillment. However, there is a feature plan, so you can't really do that. You need to have the 7-day trial. I'm not gonna get the 7-day trial because they're gonna charge me with money. I don't want to risk that. So that was basically how you do it. And there's also like different kind of things when you get the special perk, like the yearly fee, or I mean just the upgraded version. There's bundles, boxes, AliExpress imports, trendy products, and a lot. So that was basically it for this video. If you guys have any questions about Zendrop, please comment below right now. It doesn't matter what the question is. I'm gonna be answering all the questions. So thank you all so much, and see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe because we're uploading videos about dropshipping, e-commerce business, everything about everything every single day. So see y'all and goodbye.